How to use Planet Fitness Smith machine. I'm going to tell you how to use the Smith machine at Planet Fitness. First, position the bar at about shoulder height while ensuring the safety catches are a few inches below bar level. This gives you room to rack the weight safely at any point during your set. Place your feet shoulder width apart and slide under the bar, setting it across your upper back for squats or behind your shoulders for bench press. Never put it on your neck. Grip the bar just outside the shoulder width, lift it from the hooks, and rotate it to lock it into position. Then, you're in the clear zone to begin your reps. Use a comfortable, steady rhythm. This machine keeps the bar on a fixed vertical path so you can focus on controlled lifts without balancing the bar. When you're done, rotate the bar back to engage it with the safely hooks and lift slightly to lock it in place.